Hi guys, I am home bored and wanted to do something fun and decided that it's been a long time I haven't sewn some doll clothes, so today I've decided to just go ahead and do something fun. And in this video I'm gonna show you how I go ahead and make some doll clothes. So first I'll be tracing the pattern of the shape of the dress and the pants that I would like my doll to wear. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I've just gone ahead and I've gotten some paper from a braid that I've recently used in another video on my channel. So that's what I'll be using to draw the patterns on. So you can find any paper of what you want just to have an idea of how you would want the shape of the clothes to look. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna first draw a dress and then a pants. Bear with me guys, I haven't tried this in years, so bear with me. Just continue watching to see how it turned out. So now I've drawn my pants and I'm gonna go ahead and use some school glue because I doubled the paper so it can be a little thick, so when I'm cutting it out, the pattern on the fabric, it will just stay one place, just have some thickness, because I didn't want my pattern to move when I'm cutting it. So that's why I doubled the paper. So I'm gonna use the school glue to glue both sides and then cut my fabric. So for these DIYs, I'll be using some old fabric I have, some old clothes. So I just cut some old clothes up, and those are what I'll be using to make the doll clothes. If you have any old clothes that you don't no longer want, you can always go ahead and use them. Do something, make something out of them before throwing them away. So that's what I'll be using. Okay, so now I'll be using an old needle my mom had and some thread that I found. Couldn't find the exact color that I wanted to match the fabric, so I just used any thread I could get. In order to hide the color of the thread, it's best to use the thread that matches the color of the fabric. Okay guys, this is the final look. I know it looks so ugly with all the different colored thread, but at least you can get an idea of what I was trying to create. I really didn't put much effort into it at all because I was so impatient and I just wanted to finish, but you get the point. So if you want to see me create new crazy and more fun videos like this, put your comment down below and tell me what other videos you would like me to do, and I might just choose your topic. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see much more stuff. I have lots of new ideas coming for you guys soon, and I hope you guys have a happy holiday and stay safe in this time. Bye.